Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your nickname in the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app. And here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just go into the me menu. Then tap on the little cog icon in the top right corner. Then tap on the top thing, your name, and then tap on nickname. Here you can enter the nickname that you would like to use, and then tap on save to save your nickname. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.